Here is a question for today. Before we start, you can have a look on the lesson that I explained about the basic concept of log. To get x value from today's question, we need to understand how to turn that log form into the exponential form. So to turn the log form, we can get a to the n is equal to x. This is the exponential form. So try to remember that formula to get the x value. So let's try from the first question. We just have to turn that log form into the exponential form. So x to the power of 3 is equal to 64. We just have to simply solve that exponential equation. So to find the x value, we just have to find the cube root of 64. If you're not familiar with the number, you can turn that 64 into 4 to the power of 3. Cancel those 3, we get 4. So the x value is equal to 4. This is how we interpret the log form. So let's try to keep the same concept and then try for the second question. So keep the base, which is x, and try to put the 2 over 3 on the power part, which is equal to 64. This is how we turn it into the exponential form. So x to the power of 2 over 3 is equal to 64. To get the x value, why don't we multiply by 3 over 2 on both sides? Then we could cross-cancel the fractions on the x part, which is equal to 1, so that we can simplify the equation into x equals to 64 to the power of 3 over 2. To simplify the indices, we can turn the 64 into 8 to the power of 2, and then keep the 3 over 2. Then can you recognize that we can still cancel that 2? Then the value turns into 8 to the power of 3, which is 512. So this is the x value for question B. You can find more log questions from my channel. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.